Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. I've never started a video like that, but we're going to do a vlog today and we're going to go into town with my cousin Tom and his girlfriend. So we're going to go into town, live it up large. I hope you guys had a great New Year, so Happy New Year. I did get a brand new Mac and this is now what I edit on, obviously. Not obviously, but yeah, this is now what I edit on. Here's me zipping up my bag. Yo. What I wanted to do. See these, right? Yeah, these are for us. I'll give one to Tom. Here you go, Tom. And then I'll give one to Annika. There you go, Annika. One to me. Okay, we're in my uncle's car right now, and I'm with Tom and Annika right there. And we're gonna go to town. We're gonna find an OFO bike, and we're gonna just do some stuff in town. It's gonna be great.
You made that video in McDonald's yet?
No, we're gonna make a video in McDonald's as well. So guys, we've been dropped off in town now. The sun is going straight through the trees there, and yeah, we're in town, Cambridgeshire. Annika there on her phone. Label.
You want me to film your
Oh yeah, stick to the rock, top, to the bottom, to the rock. Alright, the mission is, right, we're gonna go get an OFO bike, we're gonna go to town, right, and we're gonna just go everywhere, right, we're gonna try to go everywhere. Why don't you like Starbucks?
Just basic white girls.
Yeah.
White girls. I don't even need a hood up. Alright, we think it's gonna rain.
Look behind us. It's quite dark.
Yeah.
Compared to the over there.
Compared to our skin, very dark. And over there, it's very light.
Like our skin.
So all the shops are shut now, unfortunately, so that means we can't actually go into any, because it is New Year's Day, so obviously they are going to be shut because there's people coming. Let me just cross this street. But yeah, we're going to try find some shops that are open, go in there, just chill out for a bit, and see what happens then.
Whoa, yo. Hit him, little bit. Hey, you finna die, baby. Nigga run up, then I swear he gon' get it. Fuck the police, I ain't taking no ticket. Who gave you scary ass niggas some bread? Looking at you like a chicken and biscuit. Don't play with me, cause I swear I get wicked. Beast to the west, cause she jumping like crickets. So many hoes, don't you ask, can I dig it? She asked how long.
Right, there's 2 for £5 here. They are tiny. Rip off. Go to Tesco's. my gosh, there's a lot of people in town, right? What? Sorry, mate. God. Alright, so basically, right, we're heading over to McDonald's, going to the McDonald's, and there's going to be maggots in the ketchup. Isn't that correct? Maggots in the ketchup.
I don't know what it is.
Isn't that correct? There's maggots in
Yeah, that's correct.
See? I do a video at McDonald's. Alright, what we got here. So this is the McDonald's dispenser, the maggot dispenser. I'm gonna order some food. I ordered like 1 second ago, already got it. Always got like some burgers and stuff, lemonade here, 2 burgers, double cheeseburger. We're the only ones kind of like in McDonald's, so it's quite good service. We got the burger here, but yeah, big shout out to Alex and my like 200th sub, and it's kind of why I'm making a McDonald's video. So big shout out to you. Thanks. That is King's College right there. King's College. We're gonna go sit on the wall of King's College. It's gonna be epic.
You said something else.
No, I said, what does it?
Is there any chewing gum?
Chewing gum?
Try this. I have tried this.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's
I hope you guys are having a great New Year.
I hope you guys have had a great New Year's Eve, and you have hangover today, and it is not New Year's Day. It's not New Year's Day anymore, but anyways.
Yeah, exactly what she said. We're just gonna find some chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday.
Alright, we need to go west, exactly northwest, and we'll go to Tilted Towers. When we get to Tilted Towers, we'll hop on a plane and get to Whiskey Reels, alright? We're gonna win. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm actually pretty impressed, alright? Because I need to tell you one thing right now. I'm releasing the music video for the song on the 5th of January at 5 o'clock, right? So you guys need to go over to my channel, 5 o'clock on the 5th of January to check out the music video. It's gonna be sick.
Winter has fallen and the nights become cold. I checked every morning if it snowed outside. I look through my window and I checked every night.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Alright, we've got our chewing gum now, look, see? All different packets. Great.
I actually did
You did
that.
it.
Wait.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing Kickitwitu with chewing gum. Watch this. Okay guys, so I'm basically going to just go to the cinema while these guys play cards. That's what we'll be doing. I'll see you after the movie. Yo guys, welcome back to another live stream. This live stream is going to be, we'll be playing the Rescue the Dinosaurs. Right, so we're in the this arcade.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Down below.
Make sure you leave a comment.
Comment down below your favorite YouTube ideas, and I will probably not. No, I'm not gonna do video.
Not gonna do a video.
Because I have my own ideas, and don't forget to press the ding dong bell so you get notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.
Peace.
All right.